Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things real estate. My name is Audrey Rozier. I am a real estate agent in Maryland, assisting clients with the buying, selling, and renting of residential real estate. Stay tuned for today's video about 4 reasons to buy a home this winter. We all know spring and summer are prime seasons for house hunting. People are more likely to get out there and shop when the sun is shining and the flowers are blooming. But of course, circumstances arise that require us to buy, sell, and move any time of the year. Here are some benefits of house hunting during the winter. Reason number 1, there are fewer buyers to compete with. This may be the most obvious reason. The low demand will work in your favor. Reason number 2, housing prices are generally lower. When there are fewer buyers in the market, supply usually surpasses demand. This usually results in lower prices than during the peak seasons. Reason number 3, sellers are motivated. The lower buyer activity in the winter generally results in sellers being more motivated to sell. They may have plans to relocate, possibly for a job, and that may not be easy if they are not willing to negotiate, at least a little on their part. Reason number 4, things are just not as busy. During the peak seasons, there are so many things happening at once. Your title company is working with a ton of people, so is your realtor, so is your mortgage loan officer. When winter comes, everything slows. That way, you'll have the undivided attention of all parties involved in you purchasing the dream home. Now is the time to house hunt if you are in the market. Interest rates are still at groundbreaking lows, and there are so many programs out there to assist you with your down payment, with your closing costs. There are even programs out there to help you pay off your student loan debt. Also, I've recently started working with a credit repair specialist, so don't let your credit stop you from owning your dream home. Well, that is all I have for today. Today's video was filmed in a new construction home built by Rivendell Homes. Let me know what you thought about today's video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, as I do post often. My contact info will be below if you need it, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.